The gold price remained corrective throughout the week with no clear direction. However, a stable market momentum might be seen after the FOMC, where a dovish tone could be a strong, long signal. The short-term outlook of gold USD is corrective, which needs additional price action before forming a stable trend. The latest week started with a downside pressure but rebounded immediately on Friday. Still, the price trades below the 20-week SMA level but above the 1900 critical psychological level. As the weekly close came with a bullish reversal candlestick formation, the price is likely to reach the 1950.00 level before showing a bearish opportunity. In the daily chart, the bullish recovery from visiting the August 15th low could signal a strong bullish continuation, supported by the bullish RSI. However, the flat 100-day SMA is still above the 20 EMA. Based on this outlook, a bearish recovery and a daily candle below the 1900 level could be a short signal, targeting the 1850 level. On the other hand, investors should closely monitor how the price reacts during the FOMC, where a bullish recovery above the 100-day SMA could be a long signal, aiming for the 2000 level.